Ladies and gentlemen, the megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Mr. DJ, can I make a request? Wherever your love song goes, Mr. DJ, para sa akin ito, sana ay okay sa'yo. Hihintayin ko na patugtugin mo. Thank you uli sa'yo. Kahit lumang na ang aming gawin, nais ko rin malamig. Kahit man lang sa alaala ay makasama ko siya. Good evening, Han Casino Resort. Good evening, guests from Pampanga. Good evening, Sharon. I like this because it's intimate, right? This is, ganun din naman ang effort kahit Araneta, kahit Moa, kahit dito. Don't worry, we will give our best tonight. And here's our walk down memory lane. I hope you remember these songs. Please sing with me. you Sharonians who are like 10 and above, the one shouting Mama. Hi kids! Mama, so happy for you. I'll see you all later. And here's a song I did when I was, I think still 12. Composed by Louie Ocampo. Hindi ko po madalas kinakanta ko, so I decided dapat kantayin ko po ngayon. Yung mga nami-miss natin kanta. Nasa album yata ka na Mr. DJ also. So, imagine I was 12. I've been here 46 years. And I've been doing movies for 43. And guess what? You all still came tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you. And you know, Pampanga is the place of my maternal family. My mom's side, I'm half Kapampangan. My husband's father, the family of my husband's father is also Kapampangan. So my children, half me, half him, 50 plus 50, 100 na yun. So, biyasa ko po mga Pampangan, ditak mo po. Hindi po ako laging, minsan na mas madalas pa ako mag-Bisaya. But, biyasa ko po, ditak mo. Kasi po, inimako po, Kapampangan. Lahat po ng Gambo, Mercado, Ampong Dison, mga kamag-anak ko. So, San Fernando, Angeles, Santana, Candaba, magkalat po mga kamag-anak ko dyan. So, Mayo Pabenge po, sa inyong lahat. I'm so happy to be here. In Kapampangan, aping-api po ako na ako'y nandito ngayon tonight. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm proud with Kapampangan. Made of sisig and tibok-tibok. And buro nito. Sometimes even putete and kamaru. Wapi, mangan po ko niya. Okay, here's this special song composed by Louie Ocampo, and I love it. This is for you and my young children out there, my Sharonians. Listen. Hagkan at iyong pagmasdan ang ating kaysayang nagdaan. Sinuting po, hindi pa ito ba? Yung sumunod naming movie nitong leading man ko sa movie na ito. Dito kami nag-shooting sa lahat. Dalawa shooting ko dyan. Yung isa si FPJ kasama. Yung isa ito. Layo na nang narating. Please sing with me if you remember this and it brings back very good memories. Like it does me. Let us pray. music ng 70s. We love you, Mama! I love you too! Pero, kasi I was born in the 60s. Okay lang sabihin kasi wala naman sa itsura. Lahing Kapampangan, lahing Gamboy yan, dahil kay Mami yan. Tsaka sa tulong na rin ito, Ivy. Basta mag-over. I do my best, so I'm presentable always to you guys. I have a new teleserye coming up. It is my first after FPJ's ang Probinsyano, and we cannot announce it pa. But kahit po yung lumabas na they welcome me back to ABS-CBN, that happened last month. Last month or early this month. So we could not announce. Pero itong linggong ito maglalabas na lahat ng ginawa na. Malalaman nyo na kung ano. I hope abangan niyo po sa ABS-CBN na kahit po wala kaming estasyon at prangkisa, rumaratsyada pa rin sa ratings. Marami pa rin sponsor. Sana po magustuhan niyo. Touching po yan. It's really for my Sharonians. I accepted it. So napapagod na rin ang ate niyo. Sa mga bata, napapagod ng lola niyo. Wala po nga akong apo eh. Naghihintay ako. Ayoko naman kulitin kasi lalong tumatagal. Baka mauna pa yung bunso ko. 4 na yung anak ko. Akala ko maaga ako nagka-baby, maaga rin akong magiging lola. Wala. Di ba? Dadating din yun. But I think I will rest a while after the teleserye. I don't think I will disappear completely, but I will be a bit scarce. I won't be coming out very often. When there's a good project, like this teleserye, I will do it. But I will not leave my fans unaware. They know naman. I love you very much, and you really gave me a beautiful, not just a beautiful career, but a beautiful life. And I owe everything to all of you, next to God. I love you very good. Anyway, when I was a little girl just dreaming of becoming a singer, talaga po hindi ko akalain maging singer at artista ako. Kala ko po kakanta ako ng mga 3 kanta, balik na ako sa school, mag-asawa, maging nanay, maging lola, tapos mamamatay. Pero hindi ganun po nangyari. Masyadong maraming plano ang Panginoon. So, when I was growing up and really singing all the time sa bahay, idolizing my Mama Helen Gamboa, kapatid ni Ima ko po, sister of my mom. So this is another duo that I really listen to all the time. My God, I was a fan of this woman's voice. So I'd like to do a tribute in the form of this medley. This is for all of you, as well as for 2 of the biggest influences in my singing career. This is free. I've been to so many places in my lifetime. I've sung a lot of songs, I've made some bad rhyme. I've acted out my life in stages with 10,000 people watching. But we're alone now and I'm singing this song for you. Talking to myself and feeling down. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I thought they used to call blues, nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking road. And yes, we've just begun.
We've just begun.
We've only just begun.
We've just begun.
We've only just begun. Love, look at the two of us, strangers in many ways. We've got a lifetime to share, so much to say, and as we go from day to day, you close to me, but time alone will tell. Let's take a lifetime to say I knew you well, for only time will tell us all. Love me more. All my friends have forgotten half their promises. They're not mine, just hard to find. One look at you, and I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found the best when there's no getting over like rainbow. And now, ladies and gentlemen, hindi po ako laging may guest. Abay, hindi lang po ako nagkaroon ng guest para sa Hand Casino Resort, kung hindi, napaka-special pa pong guest. At matagal ko na pong favorite. In fact, ang tawag ko sa kanya, Faye, dahil favorite ko siya. Isa po sa pinaka-talented, pinaka-magaling na nakilala.